Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good day, and welcome to our travel channel, willadinestravel.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to go to our special cruise for Mother's Day 2027. First thing you want to do is go to our website, willadinestravel.com. You type it in the URL up there at the top, your web browser, and it's going to bring you right to our page. So the first thing you're going to see, you don't even have to scroll down here. You see groups and events, and you see Mother's Day 2027. That's one way to get to our Mother's Day cruise, where you can get more information and make reservations. Then the other one is if you come down here to our exclusive savings and amenities, you also see the same thing, Mother's Day 2027. You just click click view details, and it'll tell you a little bit about the trip, when it's leaving, etc. And then if you go to cruise information, it'll give you even more details about the cruise itself, the staterooms that are available, the itinerary that the ship will be sailing on. This is a 7-day cruise. Tells you a lot about the ships. You can even look at the deck layouts of the ship. And then here's some more information on each port of call. So you have that information there under the cruise information. And if you're really excited about this and you want to take your mother on this cruise in 2027, which she will love it and you will love it too, you just click right here, register, and you just go ahead and fill out the registration forms and save and continue. And we'll get your cruise booked for you. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is. Go to our website, www.willadinestravel.com. You can click on groups and events up here. We have a Mother's Day 2027, and you can do the same thing, cruise information, and register. So I want to thank you for viewing. I hope you have a good day, and please leave us a comment in the comment section below. We love hearing from you and love hearing your ideas. So thank you. Have a great day.